Hello, it's Laura again from the studio, and for this video we're going to learn how to make an ear. So they're very interesting, each ear is different, but we're just going to do a basic ear. And for that we're going to start off with the basic shape, which is an oval, and there's like a little circle here, like the lobe, so we're going to make a tiny circle on the bottom here too, the bottom right. And we're going to start off with the outer curve. I'm using a 2B pencil right now. By the way, I have my eraser. We're not going to use a Tortillion because we're just going to practice doing cross-hatching, shading without smudging. And I also have an 8B, which isn't really necessary, but you could have a darker pencil if you want to. So back to the drawing, we have our two shapes. We're going to trace over the outer line of the ear by using circles. It helps us guide us to see what shape we could use. So now that we have our outer circle, we're going to go ahead and do the other line right next to it, and it stops around here. So that's where we'll stop to, around here. And then we got our, like where our eardrums is, like this little dark shaded part, that's a hole there. So we're gonna do that as well. So it's like a little bump, 2 bumps, 1, 2. Just like that. We're gonna make this a little longer. And we're gonna do this little shading part, it's like a triangle. And we're gonna do that here. We're also going to do a little space here. This is going to be dark. This is going to be shaded in. And same for this. And same for this. Next, we're going to do this line here. So it's an interesting line. It curves all the way around the ear. So we're going to go in and curve just like that, and from here we're gonna start shading. So I'm gonna take my 8B, you don't have to, but you certainly can, and I'm gonna go over the dark line, so it's around this edge here is where the darkest lines are. All this is shading, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. We're also going to be shading from this area. It gets lighter. We're going to shade here as well. We're also going to shade over here. It's a little darker. It's like almost a line, but it's not. We're going to make the line by shading it. I'm also going to do a little shading down here. And here I'm using the 2B again. We're going to go over some areas. So here it's completely shaded. And here there's only some light parts, so that's what we're going to do. On the bottom part, we're just going to kind of go over all these areas. Same up here a little bit, over the edge, a little bit here. And that is basically how you make an ear, an average ear. Thank you for watching.